Hey you guys, so here I'm going to be teaching you how I make my special Neapolitan gloss. It's a best-selling gloss. It's always off the shelves. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my mixed base. I already have it mixed with the TKB gloss base and also coconut oil. So I'm just going to take my mixed base and put it in these 3 bowls. So here I'm just evening out the gloss base so everything is even and leveled, and then after this I'm just going to get my forks from Dollar Tree, any store, and I'm going to put it in my gloss and begin to mix. So now I'm just going to use my Yummy Pink Lip Liquid. I get it from tkbtrading.com, and I'm just going to add that to my gloss base. It goes for around $4 or $5. And then I'm also going to get my white lip liquid just so I can, have that nice light pink color, that Neapolitan ice cream color. And I'm just going to mix that in as well into my lip gloss base. And then I'm going to start to add my other colors into the other base. So now I have this chocolate lip liquid. I got it from TKB Trading as well. I'm just going to add that. I just use a generous amount. I don't really measure it out. I just know when to stop. And then I'm going to get the white pigment again, and I'm going to add that to the middle one. So we have the 3 Neapolitan colors. I'm running out. So now I'm going to start mixing the coloring liquid into the gloss base until the color is all the way fully there. Now I'm just adding a little bit more pink pigment because it's not the pink that I want, so now I can just edit it out since I didn't put enough. So now that I have the pink that I want, I'm going to get my Get Suckered flavoring oil. This is strawberry shortcake. I'm just going to incorporate the Neapolitan, flavors, the strawberry with the pink, the vanilla with the white, and the chocolate with the brown. So now that everything is all mixed up, I'm just going to get my 60 ml syringes. I get them off Amazon, and then I'm going to get my 3 ml pipettes, and I'm going to cut each side and then attach it to each one of the syringes. So now I'm just going to add each color to the syringes, and then I'm going to fill them up in the tubes. So I just get each syringe and I fill the colors up evenly in threes. Now I'm just putting the stopper and the gloss cap in the gloss to close it off. And that's how I just make my Neapolitan gloss. Everybody please like, comment, subscribe, and also tell me which videos you would like to see or which glosses you would also want me to do. Thank you.